So show me where you've used it on your model.
Yeah.
What exactly have you done here?
So,
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are we gonna? What are we looking at here?
so can you tell where is the sprue gate on the surface? If you really look,
What's
like where did I cut off? Like the spot that I cut off from the surface.
even zoomed in? I can't.
You can't tell, right?
I can't tell. How did you do that?
That's where I used the.
So you cut it and then you've put.
I put the melted
the melted plastic on.
Yeah, and then I sand the surface.
And send it back.
Yeah, send it back.
And it's a perfect color match, of course.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Because it's the same plastic.
Yes.
Because you've cut it from the sprue.
Yeah. I think this trick works on all the pre-colored models. Yeah.
Gundam especially.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what is this that I'm touching? Is this an arm or a leg or?
It's a leg.
It's a leg.
Yeah. And
so here you've got one that you haven't sanded back yet.
Yeah.
Is that what I'm looking at?
That's another technique. So I'm using the white putty for a bit of the gap filling.
So this is white putty.
Yeah. So white putty is a little bit different compared to the Tamiya, like this extra smooth. Like yeah. That one is more used for the sculpting, and this one is like softer than the Tamiya's putty.
Okay, so it sands better?
Yeah, so it's better for like if you want to fill with the like tiny gaps between the parts. And
So what do you do now? Do you just sand it or do you do a hobby knife or what do you do?
I will sand the surface to get rid of the extra putty on the surface.
With the 9-step sanding stick.
Yes, and then I use extra thin cement to clean up the like you will see some white.
Oops.
Yeah.
So what am I looking at here?
So this is how it looks like after you clean everything with the white putty, and then you apply the paint on the surface, and then I do a bit of the semi-gloss top coat, like here.
So you've added hair on here, have you?
No, not. It's just filling the gaps between. Like you can't.
fill in the gaps.
Yeah, you can't even tell there was a gap over there.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
Because it's multi-piece.
Yeah.
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 Holy moly, you have really stepped up your modeling game.
Yes.
I think you've got more precision now than Kobe.
No. All my most of my tricks are learned from him. So yeah, very thankful.
But why does his stuff look so bad then?
No.
What?
I think it's a bit different building the character figure and the military models.
And have a look how small it is. And this is off your pilot.
Yes.
Soletta, what's her name?
Soletta Mercury.
Soletta Mercury.
Yeah. And I did a bit of like brush paint on the.
Let's have a look. Let's go to the overhead and have a look.
Yeah.
So where did you do brush painting here?
I painted the black line on the tie. And
did you do that freehand?
Yes, freehand without the masking tape.
See, you're getting good. No? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, and that's a brush I'm using. And I accidentally...
That's a big brush.
I broke my brush this morning and...
How did you break it? Tell me how you broke it.
So I dropped it on the floor and it just like split the tips.
Oh, yeah. So it wrecked the tip.
Yeah, and it's a very expensive brush, right?
Well, it's a godhand one, right?
Yeah, it's a godhand. So I don't want to like just throw it in the bin.
You don't want to throw it away?
Yeah, so I use this one, the
godhand,
the fixing gel.
The fixing gel. So this is what you put on your brushes to keep it maintained.
Yeah.
If it's damaged, right? So what do you do? Do you dip it in?
So you will need to use the boiled hot water.
Yeah.
And then add some bits of the gel.
Yeah.
And stir it nicely, and then you just put the brush into the water around
into the water.
Yeah, around 30 seconds, and then it just fixes.
And it reforms.
Yeah.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
Tips and tricks from Kawa.
Yes.
Hey.
Yeah.
That is really cool. Your modeling has come a long way, no, from just building Gundam.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I feel like I'm taking like modeling more serious than before because I used to
enjoying it.
Yeah, definitely.
Now, what else have you been doing?
Okay, and I forgot to bring the kits that I want to introduce.
You forgot to bring the kits.
Yeah, last week.
Oh, last week. I was
Yeah,
going to
yeah.
say, because Will James forgot to bring a train this week. So, so tell us what.
Yeah.
You don't let me play with that brush. I will break it.
It's okay. That's Amate Yuzuriha, as known as Machu. She's the
As Machu.
Yeah, Machu. You can call her Machu.
I can say Machu. I can't say that other one so well.
Yeah, she's the pilot of G-Quacks.
G-Quacks.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's the one that's come and like been
Yeah,
saying
yeah,
that all the
yeah.
time, yeah?
Yes, yes.
G-Quacks.
Yeah, G-Quacks. And as you guys know, like Standard Mercury, the previous released model kits from the Figure Rise Standard, and she's the newest one. And
Is she?
Yeah.
Is this the newest figure?
Yeah.
Newest pilot?
Yeah, the newest figure, like
She has a handbag.
it's a backpack.
Oh, backpack.
Yeah. So
Well, it doesn't show it here. Oh, you can put it on or off.
yeah. So basically, this kit combines with the the special materials of clothing.
I hope that's short she's wearing.
She does have a short.
Good.
And
because if it's a dress, it wouldn't be very practical, would it? It's very short. Look at the color.
And this kit also gets the soft skirt.
Oh, it does get the soft.
Yeah.
I love that. It's almost, is it rubber or is it?
Yeah, it's a rubber.
It's a rubber sprue.
Yeah. So that's a special material used in this kit.
Because they did that on another one too recently.
Yeah. The pink-haired one.
Yeah,
right?
the pink-haired one.
So they're using the same technique into this kit as well.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
They're
And
really adding textures, not just colors, textures. What's all these little, what is this,
that's
joints?
the joints. Yeah, joints.
Wow.
Yeah. And they gave you a lot of like the decals to customize the face expressions. Yeah, because she's a very energetic character, so it gives
What's
you.
your favorite color eye?
I like this one.
Oh, stop it!
Yeah.
You just said that because you know it's my favorite.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I love the bright green.
Yeah. This one's really cute.
And she has eyelashes too.
Yeah.
How the hell do you put those on?
Use the.
With great difficulty. No, that is tiny. You have to cut that out.
Yeah.
And stick that on. There's no way I could do that.
Just eyeballing.
Wow.
Yeah, and this kit even gives you like another skirt parts.
A hard one.
Yeah, a hard one. That's used because she has a very significant pose in the story. It's like upside down. So
Okay.
yeah, and that's the skirt like when she's doing the.
When she's doing a handstand.
Yeah.
So she does a handstand.
Yeah, and they even gave you the pattern on the pants, like
Pattern underpants. They give you a sticker for her underpants.
yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Girls are none. Is that right?
Yeah.
So this one here
Yeah.
is her underpants.
Yeah, that's a pattern on her.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so this is gonna be a very interesting.
I'm way too immature for this. I just want to get to she's got a ball thing too.
Yeah, the robot.
Her one's got a beanie. Must
Yeah.
be cold.
That's very
She has
cute.
a labubu like you. Is it? Is that what it is?
It's not labubu, but similar things. Yeah.
Because you wear that too.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought the dress would be the right way, but it's designed to.
Yeah, it's
Here you go, people. This is what they get up to.
yeah.
So that's why you put the underwear.
Yeah.
I can't get a focus on this. Oops.
Here you go.
So there you go.
Yeah.
So that's her famous pose.
Yeah,
the
that's
handstand with her undies showing.
Yeah, and even get the extra front hair parts.
Oh, to make it
match
look like she's upside down.
Yeah, the gravity.
And the tie as well.
Yeah. So this gonna be a very playable kit, and you can like come up with a lot of different like varieties with this kit.
Of how you put it together.
Yeah.
You guys are wild. You guys are wild. Huh?
Yeah. Very interesting.
I love that. That is so dynamic.
Yeah, I know.
That is such a cool thing.
Yeah. Strongly recommend it.
You strongly recommend it.
Yeah.
Are you going to build it next?
I'm thinking of I'm waiting for her friends. Another girl coming should be arrived pretty soon.
Who's that one the pilot of?
Chief Red, another unit from the series. Yeah.
What series is that?
Gundam G-Witch.
Gundam G-Witch.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite series at the moment?
Still not, but I pretty like it.
But you like the characters.
Yeah.
You don't like the storyline, but you like the characters.
Yes,
Is that
exactly.
right?
Exactly. Yes.
Fantastic.